This is a full countryside property sitting on over 7 acres of private land with wide open space all around. As you come down the driveway, the first thing you notice is the separation from everything else. No dense neighborhood, no tight spacing, just open land stretching out on both sides, giving you a true rural setting from the moment you arrive. The house sits centered on the property, framed by mature landscape and natural surroundings that give it a private, tucked-away feel. From the outside, you can immediately see this is a property built around space rather than density. One of the strongest features here is the land itself. Over 7 acres gives you room to work with, whether that's outdoor projects, recreation, animals, gardening, or simply having open space that isn't shared with neighbors right on top of you. The structure includes classic exterior design elements, with covered porches on both the front and back. These spaces naturally extend the living area outdoors and create spots where you can sit, relax, and take in the quiet rural environment. Behind the home, the acreage continues with open yard space and natural terrain that can be shaped in multiple ways depending on your vision. Whether you want to restore, redesign, or expand, the land gives you that flexibility. There are also multiple outbuildings on the property, adding functional storage and utility space for tools, equipment, or country living needs. This is the type of setting where you're not limited by space, you're defined by it. The land becomes your foundation, and everything built on it becomes part of a larger lifestyle. Even though the house itself needs attention, the opportunity here is not about what exists today, it's about what can be created across this much land in a quiet rural environment. This is true acreage living in Georgia, where privacy, space, and potential all come together on one private countryside property.